Understanding Trail Groomer, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, trail groomer. This phrase is not only unique but also paints a vivid picture when understood in its proper context. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone who loves outdoor activities, this video will enrich your English vocabulary and understanding. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, trail and groomer. A trail is a path or track laid down for walking or made by continual treading. Trails are often found in natural settings like forests, mountains, or parks. The word groomer, on the other hand, refers to a person or a machine that cleans, maintains, or prepares something. In this context, a groomer is typically a machine. So, a trail groomer is a machine that prepares and maintains trails. Trail groomer is commonly used in contexts related to outdoor activities, especially in winter sports like skiing or snowmobiling. These machines are essential for keeping the trails in good condition, ensuring they are safe and enjoyable for users. Trail groomers smooth out the snow on ski trails, remove obstacles, and help in creating a consistent snow surface. This makes the skiing or snowmobiling experience much better and safer. To give you a better idea, let's look at a visual representation of a trail groomer. Imagine a large, powerful vehicle, equipped with blades and brushes, moving over a snowy trail. Its job is to compress the snow, level bumps, and fill in any dips in the trail. This process creates a smooth, compact surface ideal for skiing or snowmobiling. Understanding the term trail groomer is particularly useful for those interested in outdoor sports and activities. It's a key part of the infrastructure that makes winter sports enjoyable and accessible. If you're planning to engage in activities like skiing, knowing about trail groomers can enhance your appreciation for the effort that goes into preparing and maintaining the trails. I hope this video has helped you understand what a trail groomer is and its importance in the context of outdoor sports, especially winter activities. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about understanding the culture and context they are used in. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.